if, for example, I take my Bitcoin and I buy Tether with it so that I've got, dollars. I don't need to take it off platform. I don't need to incur the transaction fees. If I'm a heavy volume, trader, Tether's very useful. I can keep everything on the exchange that way. Well, if I take my Bitcoin and I buy $1 million worth of Tether with it, and then I take that Tether and I exchange it into fiat, I now have, if I had $1 million worth of Bitcoin, I buy $1 million worth of Tether with it, I exchange it into Tether, and then I exchange that Tether for US dollars through the exchange, I now have $1 million. Well, what happens if Tether doesn't have the money? Well, Tether's just printed $1 million. And the fact is Tether and Circle are both taking almost 100% of the proceeds and putting it directly into US treasuries. This is one of the reasons why just the day after Saudi Arabia announced earlier this year that they are considering moving off the petrodollar in 2027, and that they will they'll still have the dollar as part of the, as part of the oil exchanges, but it'll be a basket of currencies, including the renminbi, and it will just be one of several dozen currencies. The day after that, Paul Ryan, who is, one of the blob's favorite GOP representatives, the former Speaker of the House, who effectively knifed Trump in the back during Trump term 1.0 when he was the House Speaker from 2016 to 2018, he wrote a full-page Wall Street Journal spread the day after the petrodollar threat came in, saying that the U.S. has to offset that by doubling down on stablecoins, Tether, Circle, the new suite. And the fact is stablecoins now represent, I think, one of the top 10 or top 12, forces now insulating the U.S. dollar. That is, all the treasuries that are being bought up by these crypto stable coins, which there's an open question as to whether or not that's just an unaccountable private offshore Federal Reserve printing money to buy dollars at the same time that Saudi Arabia may be moving off the petrodollar. China has done this massive divestment of, China has been propping up the US dollar for a very long time. I think they offloaded $50 billion worth of treasuries in the past several quarters alone. And now you have this budding crypto space. So, I mean, I predicted this price rise, if Trump were to win. I said, Bitcoin is going to be an incredible investment because they're going to want to protect the US dollar. But it's a very different argument than the argument that Bitcoin maximalists were making in 2016, that Bitcoin is an instrument in order to take on the banking sector, or in order to, have an alternative to the US dollar. It's actually sort of the opposite. And even you mentioned Circle. Circle now has a close formal relationship with the U.S. State Department and with the U.S. government, because Circle has proven very effective for the Central Intelligence Agency to evade the state-controlled banking system in Venezuela. They can now airdrop effectively money to dissidents in foreign countries that the CIA wants to overthrow, because the CIA has a big problem with the banking industry when the state controls the bank, because every dollar that they give to a dissident has to go through the Venezuelan banking system or the Iranian banking system or the Russian banking system. And if they can't set up a local bank like Castle Bank and Trust or Nuke Hand or the traditional ones, then the dollars are going to be monitored by the state. Well, how do you evade that? Crypto is the magic answer. So it is effectively a weapon of the state to do state-to-state intelligence warfare, which is another reason they want to pump up the market. So I'm not arguing against it. I still believe in the long-term power of it to intermediate the banking system at a user-to-user level. But the investment hypothesis, in my view, is a very, very different one than the libertarian one that was sold at the outset.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.